What's up, guys? I got a new Mack today. It's a nice truck. Big focus. There. I have another one of these, but like half of it's gone. So yeah, I'll show you that in a little bit. These stabilize, but these come down. These thingies. The thingy my bob door. Hold on. Okay. Doors open. This one is stiff, but true, they do open. That one opens farther, but you know. Stiff. Brand new. Just got it yesterday. That crane arm logs. That's the back. Hold on. Back looks better when the logs are actually good. Yeah, what? It's a little mat. Symbol, the Mack dog, the headache rack, pretty good, you know, and the front again. So, see you guys later.